Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to remove TCL Roku TV pop-up. Let's go. First way, open Settings, System, Store Settings. Show Store Marketing Messages, turn off. Second way, open Settings, Home Screen, Movie Store and TV Store hide. Third way, press Home on your Roku remote, scroll and select Settings. Select System, select Advanced System Settings, select Factory Reset, enter code. When reconfiguring, select Home Mode instead of Demo Mode. That's it. Now we know how to remove TCL Roku TV pop-up. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.